Hey guys, 2 weeks ago I filmed how to clean the pellet stove and someone in the comments asked me how to do the restarting process. Today the stove ran out of pellets and I had to clean it and film the process, so please watch. Now you can see the stove is flashing red. And then inside no pellets. I forgot to put pellets in it today. Now you have to clean the whole thing inside, but this will be the most important part. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera. So this part here, this is the air intake and it has to be well cleaned. Last time I had to clean the pipes from the outside as well, which happens like once every season. So now I've cleaned the whole thing inside, but looks like I didn't film the whole process, which is fine. Now I have to get this one back in. Now the restart process. Okay, first I start by turning it off. Second, I unplug it. You might not need to unplug it, but that's what I do. So if you have any dust in here, like those, it would be good if you can just vacuum them. But in my case, I don't have much, so what I do, I just put in some pellets here, and that's what I do. I mean, not much, just in case it doesn't start. You might need to clean this very well. So this is why I just put some pellets. Make sure it's on, then add pellets. Otherwise, I'll have to remove all the pellets again and then clean this part. Let's add some more. Now let's close it. And ready to start it again. Okay, let's plug it. And this is the most important part. So you see it's flashing green. Now don't just turn it on to 5, say. Go to the end, turn it off, and then middle.